first word that comes to my mind when I hear Cup of Code is just excellence. I think that above all else, the customer service that they offer us in every facet. We deal with them for social media. They do all of our marketing stuff. They've been handling all of our physical marketing as well. We've been doing a billboard campaign, roofing, hiring, and everything in between. And the fact that I could call them at any time of day and that they're interested to listen to my ramblings about the creative process and different media outlets is something that you wouldn't get from a large media company that isn't tailored to your services. I think also just the personal relationships that I've built with every member of the Cup of Code team have proved invaluable both inside and outside of the workplace. But like I said, above all, it's the excellence. So I'd love to keep ranting and raving about their customer service, but the final product's really what you're looking for. If you're looking for the best, it's Cup of Code.